This 8 feet tall standing installation was completely created with 130 kgs of different form of plastic bottles, Swiggy Zomato delivery boxes, cloth waste and even the banned poly bags for the Chennai's TEDx event. Even the foundation like boards and irons are completely refurbished one for the particular artwork. The concept X refers to the X in the TEDx, and it's one of the beautiful initiatives around the world which actually discovers and research about the ideas worth spreading. So my idea to create the X installation is every individual is contributing to the climate change in one or other way without understanding these 4 things. Mindless consumption, negligence, impulsive buying, and even the habits account to the climate change. The simple solution is start focusing on your actions. Whenever you buy something, always understand the difference between the need and the want. By understanding this, you will never get extra things which you never wanted, and you could also save a lot of money. The brightest and boldest way to save the environment is to carry your own water bottle and also to carry your own bag. One simple habit a day is a giant leap for mankind. Creating a better world to live in through art has become my passion. For next art installation, I am looking for plastic covers, plastic caps, even the plastics which you are not using will become the finest detailing in my artwork. Contact this number or also DM us to donate the plastics. See you in the next amazing installation. Until that, this is King Gautam signing off.